Nyanza magu mutundika onyiso skunde duto e gwengego eko mondo obed akicha nikech masiche mag mach mosebedo ka muoch e moko kuom skunde ma pacho kaendi. Mutundika owacho ni masira mar mach nyalo muoch e skul moramora kendo telo mag skunde goeko onego bed akicha kinde duto. Oloso tok masira mar mach muoch e skund sekondari ma Maranda High School e kaunti ma Siaya otieno manyoro. Agino manomiyo omaki jopuonjre auchiel e kinde mabende podi itimo nonro e wi gino mane nyalo chako masira makamano. Koloso e boma ma Kisumu e kinde mane osidho ayanga romo noero mar manyo yore mag tieko gwandruok e gwenge mag Imbo mar Kenya. Mutundika owacho ni masiche mag mach mamuoche skunde koro osekelo luoro maduong' ahinya e pacho kaendi.
With all the stakeholders in the counties, these meetings are being chaired by the county commissioner. He is being assisted by the officers from the Ministry of Education, including Teacher Service Commission, the Quality Assurance, to see exactly what went wrong. But of course, as you know, in Kenya, during second term, when we have mocks, this is the time they are supposed to do mocks, isn't it? Always those things are there. But this time round, they have gone overboard because the number and the rate at which the dormitories are being burned down is not usual. So we are doing our best to make sure that we handle the situation as it is. And I think as we go moving forward is to make sure that all the schools, because you find that they are always saying about high-handedness in schools, but these teachers have been there. So I think there's more of an excuse, but we are going to handle the situation as it were. Maranda, I talked with the county commissioner. He has not given me a brief properly, but what I know, all schools are not safe within the region because after every hour you hear a dome on fire. Yeah. So there is no school that we can say is safe. All of them are vulnerable.